another video on coordinate geometry sent by another student. We'll look at this question. It looks like an exam question, looks like a very old one as well. Most likely legacy in this point, so we'll investigate it and see where we are at. So can I have the following? Okay, fantastic, excellent stuff. Let's begin. So let's look at this question. It says the points, oh fantastic, it gives a diagram which is quite rare. They don't tend to give you these. It's quite rare to give you a diagram, which is quite nice to have actually. Find the value of P and Q. If we know that A and C, the midpoint is 8/2, so we can straight away say that if we add 1 plus P and we divide it by 2, that will give me the X value 8. Okay. So if you cross multiply, you'll have 16 is equals to 1 plus P. Therefore, P must be equals to 15. I can check it. 1 add 15 is 16, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that's done. Next one is going to be 7 add Q divide by 2 is equals to 2. And 4 is equal to 7 plus Q, which gives me Q is equals to minus 3. We can check it. We can say 7 add minus 3 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Fantastic. So the coordinates of P and Q is going to be 15 is our X value. Sorry, not 15, and minus 3 my Y value. That's P and Q. Now it says the line L which passes through D, the line L which passes through D. So we've got a line L here which passes through D, is perpendicular to AC. Again, that's very important. And intersects AB at E. So if I get my ruler and line that up, so again this is a sketch, it's not accurate obviously. So if I get the ruler and give me a point there, so something like that, it could be something like that again. I'm gonna draw my line there. So if I say that this line's coming through like that, so that means it's perpendicular to AC, okay, perpendicular to AC, and passes through D and also creates a new point E, okay, a new point E there. So it says find the equation of the line L, okay, in the form of AX plus BY plus C. So straight away, it's perpendicular means that we need a gradient. We're going to be using any 2 points on this line to get a gradient. So I'm going to find a gradient AC. That will be 1, 7, and 8, 2. I can use point C, but I might as well use this point. So that will be 2 take away 7 over 8 take away 1. That's going to be 5 over 7. But obviously 2 take away 7 is negative. So 8 over 1. That's the point. But we need a perpendicular, which means the negative reciprocal of that, which is 7 over 5. That's my gradient. I also have a point D, which is a point that goes to the point. So I can write 8 to here. And I can apply straight away the formula, which says that y minus 2 is equal to 7 over 5, open bracket, x minus 8. Then timesing everything by 5. Again, takes the bracket out of the situation because it says integers. We don't want bracket, we don't want fractions, it's integers. So 5y minus 10 is equals to, that cancels out with that. So 7x, 5y minus 10, right, minus 10 there, 7x minus 56. Minus 56. So now let's get everything together. We need AX first, so 7x minus 5y, and then plus 10 on that side, which gives me minus 46 is equal to 0. And that is in the form of what they want. Even though they have positives here, it's absolutely fine. We got it in the form. That's 5 marks, a lot of marks there, guys. Then finally, it says find the x coordinate of E. Okay, the x coordinate of E. So when I'm looking at this problem, I'm finding 2 lines that are intersecting. Okay, 2 lines that are intersecting. Straight away, I can say in this question that if we find the equation of AB and then solve it simultaneously, we can gain E straight away. Okay, we can gain E straight away. So let's find the equation of the line of AB, and AB therefore would be, the gradient would be, we got 2 points, 27, and we have 1, 7. So 7 take away 7 is 0, and 1 take away 20 is going to be minus 19. So clearly our gradient is 0 because it's a straight line. So therefore we can say that y minus 7 is equals to 0 open bracket x minus, x minus, for example, 20, for instance. So obviously this is going to be 0. So our answer will be y equals 7. So that's a very, very good answer, because we know it's basically the line y equals 7. Okay, even if it continues, it could be a straight line. So if I rub out everything from the top and then focus on the bottom. So let's rub out this. So now we have the following. We have the equation of the line of AE and the equation of the line AB. So y equals 7 and 7x minus 5y minus 46 is equal to 0. Obviously E, our x value we don't know because it's difficult to find, but our y value straight away is going to be 7 because it's on the line of 7. Okay, so let's put this value inside. So 7x minus 5 open bracket. Clearly y equals 7, we can substitute that straight away. Minus 46 is equal to 0. So 7x minus 5 times 7 is 35, minus 46 is equal to 0. So 35 minus 46, so minus 35 minus 46 gives us an answer of minus 81. So 7x is equals to negative 81. So so x basically is equals to minus 81 over 7. Which, to be honest, does not make any sense to me. Because why have you got a negative answer for x value? So I've done something wrong here then. It has to be. Oh, it should be positive. You add them on that side. My bad, that's positive there. Okay, so that is minus 81 over 7 is the answer. So x value is minus 81 over 7. Thank you so much. Thank you for posting this question. It's a very, very good question. And as always, look after yourself and keep working hard. The harder you work, the more questions you do, the easier it is accessible for you in the exam. And take care, guys. Look after yourself, and toodles as always.